Hi, welcome back to Simply Fatima. On today's video, I'll be talking about why I returned the Nano Noe. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you are new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not already joined the family, what are you waiting for? Please, if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that likes button and also hit the bell notification so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury and just show your girl some love. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I returned my Nano Noe. It was really hard. It was a really hard thing to do. I'm not even gonna lie. I would go back and forth about whether I should return it or keep it or just make it work. But it was just not working for me. And it was just not that practical bag that I thought it would be for me. Like a practical mini everyday bag for me. And I really tried to make it work. Like I thought about it and it just was not it for me, and I was just so upset. Even like when I was going back and forth about keeping the bag or returning the bag, I would still watch YouTube videos to really make sure this was something that I liked, or if I wasn't just falling into like the trends or whatnot. Because typically when I buy my handbags, I like to make sure that they're practical for me, they fit well with my body shape and type, and that they go with a lot of my outfits. And this one, like, it just was not it. Like, because lately, just like majority of everybody, I've been wearing more loungewear, more sweats. It wasn't doing the outfit any justice for me. And like the real kicker for me was actually like the drawstring pulls and like getting into the bag. It's not much security, and I don't want to just have a bucket bag wide open for the world to just go ahead and put their little hands inside my bag and take what they please. Like, no, I didn't want that. Even with me doing the idea of putting my items inside of my Toiletry 15 dust bag because it's a pull string, like that was just a headache. Like pulling the Nano Noe open and then having to pull out another, it was just too much. The practicality of it, like, no. The bag does hold a lot, I will say. The bag holds a good amount of things, like everything that the Speedy Nano can hold, the Nano Noe holds. It's just the construction of the bag just did not fit my lifestyle. But so I ended up returning it, and I wanted to be transparent about it because I just, you know, if something doesn't work for me, I'm quick to send it back and to get my money back or exchange it for something else. And that was just one of those cases. I rarely get a bag that I don't like and have to send it back. Like that 1% that hand sanitizer, that 99% that hand sanitizer bottles have, that 1%, that's me when it comes to returning handbags and things of that nature. So yeah. So with me returning the bag, I ended up browsing the Saint Laurent website, and they are having a sale, and their sale, the things that they have on sale are really good pieces. If I'm gonna link their sale link in the description box, and you guys check it out, especially if you guys want card holders or want to try a toy Lulu bag out. They have some that are on sale. And so I was browsing the website, I was browsing the sale page, and I came across this other bucket bag, and it was the small Teddy bucket bag by Saint Laurent. The images are deceiving because I thought I was getting a mini bag. I thought I was getting a bucket mini bag because the drawstrings to close up that bag are so much more simpler than the Louis Vuitton Nano Noe. And it was all black leather, and the strap had like a black leather strap with silver chain detailing on it, and it was really cute online. And I was like, okay, this is on sale, it's not as expensive as the Nano Noe, I'm gonna give this bag a try. So I ordered it. Y'all, that was also a no-go too. Maybe my thing is I'm not like a bucket bag type of individual. Maybe that's me. So yeah, the only bucket bag I really own is this Coach bucket bag right here, and I really like the style of this bag. And I guess because it's more of like an open bucket bag, like it has these two button closures in this middle compartment, I thought I would like other bucket bags, and I thought I would like drawstring bucket bags, and I guess that I don't. So the Saint Laurent bucket bag was a drawstring, all black, all leather bag, and it had Saint Laurent imprinted in silver, in like this silver material. And it was, y'all, it was not it. And because that wasn't it, I just went ahead and just returned it back to Saint Laurent and got my refund for that, because as soon as I opened it, like, I was ready to film this video, film that unboxing, and something was like, girl, look at this handbag before you film, because you do not want to be disappointed. And lo and behold, I was disappointed, and I just went ahead and returned the handbag. So then I was just like, you know, like, this money, the money that I used for my Nano Noe was the money that I would use on a vacation. And so I was just like, you know, I'll just put that money back and save it for a vacation once. And so I was just like, you know, if I save for a vacation, I need more like vacation bags. I need to be more vacation ready, because usually I like to take a tote bag with me traveling, and then I would have some type of small crossbody bag with me, so that like when I'm at my destination, I don't have to lug around my tote bag, or like just a bigger bag in general, because on vacations you want to be comfortable, you want to like be hands-free, you don't want to feel weighed down. And so there's this one Gucci belt bag that I have been eyeing for the longest, but on the Gucci website they only sell it in black, and so I've never ordered from the pre-loved markets whatsoever. So instead of all the trouble I was going through with the Nano Noe and the Saint Laurent bucket bag, I did see light at the end of the tunnel, and so I ended up getting 2 pre-loved items for less than the Nano Noe, way less than the Nano Noe actually, and way less than about the same price as the Saint Laurent, because the Saint Laurent bag was on sale. And I'm gonna show those pieces to you guys, and I am really sad that the Nano Noe did not work out for me, but again, I wanted to be transparent and let you guys know that like I did return it. There will not be any update video on the Nano Noe. This is the updated video of the Nano Noe, but as far as like wear and tear goes, I do not have the bag anymore, and I cannot talk to you guys about wear and tear and what fits in it and the use and all that, because I no longer own the bag. And also, I learned in this story that bucket bags are just not my jam unless it looks like this. I don't know why mine is like kind of deformed in the front, but this is the only bucket bag that I have in my collection, and probably the only bucket bag I will ever have. But again, never say never. So you just never know what happens in the future. But anyway, I'm going to show you my 2 pre-loved items. I got one item from rebag.com and the other one from The Real Real. And yeah, I was really pleased with how my transaction went, how everything went. It went smoothly. They're both 100% authenticated bags. That's another thing why I was concerned or hesitant about doing pre-loved items, because I don't know the authentication process, but I've heard a lot of reputable YouTubers talk about both websites, and I felt like the experience will be the same and that I will get authentic items, and so I'm pleased about that. The first item I'm starting out with is from The Real Real, and it is this Gucci belt bag that was very popular over the summer, and I had no idea how popular this bag was until I was looking up YouTube videos on it. So I got this Gucci belt bag because I thought, 1, this is a fun summer bag. 2, this is my second piece that is white. Well, it's not like white, but it's like an off-white. And 3, like, it's a nice fun travel bag because you can wear it across your body, you can wear it as an actual belt bag, and it's great. The only thing that I was worried about when I purchased this is that I don't know like the belt length, but that didn't matter because I was gonna wear it across my chest anyway. So I purchased this bag. This is the Gucci the Gucci small belt bag. On the website, they still currently have this particular bag, but just not in this cream white color. They have it in black. They have it both in small and medium. And if you wanted the white bag, you will have to go through the pre-loved market for either the small or the medium. I did reach out to a client advisor at Gucci, and they told me they don't know if they would ever or if when they would come back in stock with the white belt bag. And so I just went ahead and, you know, went pre-loved, and I'm pretty satisfied. This bag basically looks practically new. There is barely any wear or tear on it. It literally looks like the person bought this and was just like, never mind, and instead of returning it back to Gucci, they sold it to a pre-loved market because the hardware is nice. I love how the zipper is like an aged gold color. The zipper is the zipper track is aged gold, and the zipper itself is like this gold hardware. And this is what the inside looks like, just one main compartment, and it's amazing. It does fit my iPhone 10. I did try that, but I can do a what fits inside this Gucci belt bag if you guys like, and just leave that in the comment section down below if you wanted me to create a what fits inside of this Gucci bag. So this is one of my like vacation summer bags. I'm really excited, like super excited. I think it's super cute. It's something different for me because of all the different colors. It's white, and then it has the red and the green, and then the belt itself is navy and red. But yeah, so that's that bag. So this bag is one of the bags. It's half of the Nano Noe, so it replaced half of the Nano Noe. The other bag that I have, I'm really excited about, and this one is from Rebag. And this bag is one of those OG bags that people back in 2016, I want to say 2015, 2016, 2017, that people raved about all the time. I think this bag probably started the handbag community. I know people talked about handbags all the time, but I just feel like this one particular handbag, because of the name of it, just completely blew up YouTube. Like, really did. But it's a Saint Laurent piece, and with me just saying the name of the bag and it completely blew up YouTube, y'all should probably know what bag this is. It came in its original box. They had it wrapped up in plastic. I've already looked at the bag and inspected the bag, but I just took it out the plastic or whatnot. But I purchased the YSL Blogger bag. This is a great travel bag because it is just almost as small as the Nano Speedy, and it's a crossbody tiny bag. It comes, the zipper has this nice beautiful tassel. Mine is the smooth leather with silver hardware. It does have a back pocket. It does come with the crossbody strap. The crossbody strap is not detachable and is not adjustable. And the inside of the bag comes with a back pocket back here, and it also comes with a front pocket up here. And each front and back pocket has slots where you can put cards, and then it's just the main compartment. So yeah, I really like this blogger bag because it's just all you can literally put your card holder in here, hand sanitizer, your phone, some lip gloss, like some candy, just like all your essentials. And this is just a great travel bag. And the back pocket is an added bonus, so if you wanted to put your card holder back here to have your card holder close to your body, you can do so, and that makes more room in here. But like, it literally holds all of my essentials. So yes, those are the two handbags that I ended up replacing the Nano Noe for, and I feel like it's just getting me ready for like my trips that I have planned for this summer, and just, you know, setting this summer out right, because we need a redemption summer, okay? We really need a redemption summer. And so I feel like because I have my two mini small bags and I'm into mini bags, and these are great bags for traveling, like I'm super excited. So yes, if you enjoy content like this, please make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so that you'll never miss an upload. Also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. So yeah, so until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you later. Bye.